Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, in today's episode we've got a Yamaha A-1060. In the previous episode I was trying to find the fault, find what's wrong with it, and I've established that when you've got the recording out switch on the position phono, only phono, then there are two inputs here. It's MM and MC, so moving magnet or moving coil, two types of phono, yes, different amplification of the sound. So what it is that on one of them, on the phono type MM, so phono 2, on the left channel, you can hear both channels in playback mode, but once plugged in through record out phono, you don't have left channel. That's what I have in the book repaironline.co.uk. Yeah? So I just assembled the front, and I see that the front is just a switch, which is, there can't be any issue there, The issue can be found on the back side, because this is created that when you move the front, it's having a rod which is going and switching at different place on the other side. That's how it's made. Yes, I've seen similar solutions. I haven't seen exactly the same one. Now when I followed that line, that path, I've seen that the switch, the last switch on this side, is the switch which is going up and down, and I would like to show you that so that you will know yourself. Just lift this one up. It's a nice design. I like the design, can say. Here's a shield as well. Look, it's a shield. I think I was showing this shield in the past. Okay, so we can see that I will be turning this but let's get closer. So I'll be turning this one, and you can see that the top bit will be moving, and now it's on the phono, record out phono. Now it's on the off, tuner, aux, back on the phono, and now it's tape 1 to 2 or tape 2 to 1. Yes, so we can see that it is moving. So because we see that the movement is fine, we can't say that there is an issue as such. Yes, but I will solder. Okay, I need to use two hands. I thought I can use only one hand. Whoa, and you went down. Okay, so what I will do is I will solder these ones again. These ones, sorry. Yes, just if we've got any cold solder, yes, I call it cold solder, I don't know if it's called in English cold solder, then automatically we can find it. I don't know if I managed to do it straight away or there will be some issue, because I've got a customer who's coming for the installation of antivirus, yes, and internet security package. So I will probably need to make a break and then come back to it once he will be leaving, yes? So I will desolder it first and make a test. I was thinking maybe before doing so, because we don't know what it is, yes, we don't know what the fault is. So maybe before doing it, I can try to check the resistance, yes, and see how the resistance is going, because I see that some of them are interconnected, like these two. Yes, so let's get it. Maybe you can see clear like that. Or I think that looks better than that, but I might be wrong. Yes. So anyways, you can see that this has a connection through to this one. This one has connection through to this one. Yes, this one through to this one. This doesn't have. Yes, so I want to clean it up first, And then after cleaning that, you know, check the resistance, what it is on which position. Yes, here is nearly connected, I don't know why. Yes, but it's made this way. That's weird because nobody has moved that, at least not me. I don't know the person, you know, before. These pins shouldn't be so close if they are not connected, but to be true, I don't know. Okay, it's looking like they might be connected. I see that at the bottom it's not clear, it's just, you know, some dust on it. That's why you might not hear, might not see it, so it should be fine. But anyways, you know, so if I'll check the resistance, I will be more certain what it is now, and then when I'll switch it after soldering again, then I can test it again and compare those two results. If the resistance, I mean if the connectivity won't change, then I know that it might not be the switch, or the switch was and is a problem then on, but not cold solder. Yes, so it won't be a solder, so it's worth doing this for sure. So I will pause it for now. Yes, I will pause it, and then we can take it from there. I don't think you get value of soldering, you know, all the joints, and the customer can't. Hello guys, so you see, normally if I would record a video, I could behind the scene do whatever I want, yes, but because I'm doing recordings without editing, it went several hours before you just seen me, yes, and it's because customer came one, then customer came second, because I was doing other stuff. Now I will be putting my kids to the bed, so sometimes I need to start this recording all over again, and you know, you can't avoid it, yes, because you don't have your own repair shop where you go and your 8 hours are there, yes, you just are working from home, you're working with your own family, yes, so kids can pop in at any time. Doors are open right now because my wife went to work, and I can't allow them to do whatever they want, so I need to every so often go there and check on them. And you know, that's what it is. So you see, even I've put this at the top just to make sure that nothing would, you know, any risk would be not there, because I don't want to have trouble later. Now I came back, now I can solder it, actually. Now I can solder it. And I'm super tired. We've got some cold or flu here at home, so my boys are with runny noses and sore throat. But you see, that's what it is, yes? So we can't always do the best we thought we could. Yes, it's just impossible. Now, what can I do here? Are we okay? Where are we? We are here. So we are okay. Just that it's... oh, something like that. That's more than enough. I know it's blurry, and I don't understand why. If I'll put the light on... ooh! That's even worse. Okay, so we can't put the light on, that's for sure. What else I can do? I can put you a bit to the back. Maybe on this. Maybe. Just maybe. Don't know if I'm right. Okay, I think it's slightly... it's not wow, yes, but it's slightly better. So let's double check now. I'll move the record out. Yes, okay, so this is on the last one here, so this one. So now what we need is we need a brush. Okay, we need a brush. I found that there is some potentiometer as well. If it's too loud, sorry, I didn't test it or anything, so I don't know. Now before soldering, I meant to check it out. Yes, I meant to check it out. So here's a meter. So I remove the dust first because I don't want to take any chance. It's on the volts. Good. I'll put the magnification glass. Okay, what do I see here? I see that this is not connected to this. This is not connected to this. This probably is connected to this. Yes. So this I can't see clearly. So I see that some things I can't see, you know, in the best possible way. Oh, sorry guys, you fell. But who fell should rise. Yes. That's a good thing that you failed, because you could rise. And now where is my brush? Okay, we got a bit of an alcohol. Rub it with IPA. Isopropyl. Somebody don't know. That's called 99% isopropyl alcohol. Yes. That's what it is. Now we should clean it up a bit. It won't do the harm, yes? It's just that, you know, we can remove this dirt better. And we can see better as well through the connection. Whoa, now I can see. Okay, I see that there is some sort of oxidization. You might not see it from this side, but maybe you can see it through my lens. I don't know if you are able to see, but here in between them there is something black going on. Okay, I will try to zoom it in because I don't want to put DSLR for it or anything. Yeah? There is something going on. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. But anyways, you see that it's these ones, like it's a nice green color, and the second on the side is like a zebra, it's nice green. Whereas here in between these two like rows, you can see that it's more dark. I don't understand why it is. Well, I don't know if I can show you this readily. But anyways, you know, I see that it is. So I don't know why, but because of that, I need to check the connection on those. Yes, because it might be nothing, or it might be something. Okay, so I see that this connection goes to this, so this should beep. Cool. Now these two should beep, and this goes here, and that comes to here. Okay, that's not ideal connection. So that's not working the way it should touch, and it should work. Whereas I need to press really hard to make it work. Okay, so this is not ideal connection. So that could be a cold solder, let's call it. Now this one here, from this pin, it goes to here as well. This should be connecting with this one as well. I'm not entirely sure about this. I'm not entirely sure about this. Okay guys, so it's not ideal. Okay. So this blackness, it's not something which is killing it completely, but it is starting to be like noticeable, yes. And that blackness is, I don't know how deep, maybe just on the surface. So yes, definitely I will go for soldering here. I will, because I wanna not take any chance. Oh yes, sorry, I know what has happened. The soldering iron went into the way where it was the, hopefully it's not too loud, it went onto the way of the camera. So as you see, it's not ideal. I think when I will be doing it next time, I will use how you call it, I will use the, it's fine, I will use the DSLR, yes, because I don't like how it is made. I'll get the flags. I wanna hit everything properly. When we will create new solder joints, at least we can take out one potential problem away. We don't know if that's the cause, but it's not ideal. So what I'm doing is I'm connecting on both sides. Okay, so the first part here was done. Okay. Okay, these two looks like they are interconnected. I don't know if that's good. Okay, this switch is not new, so I don't try to go too hard on it. Okay, because if I'll damage it, we might not have the other one to replace with. But these connections have been desoldered from scratch, you can say, because they were preheated properly. So it's fine. We couldn't do anything better than we did. Okay. Yeah, the blackness, it's still on it. There's still a bit of flux, and I don't like to keep a flux on it, so rub it more. It's not that this flux would do anything here, because it wouldn't. Well, if this would be in the extreme conditions, then yeah, but from what I see, customers don't keep it in the extreme conditions. Okay, better. I see that here is some oily stuff on this. I don't know what this oily stuff is, and I don't know, is it good that it is there or it's not good, but I know one thing, IPA won't harm it, and if so, can help. Okay, so it won't harm it, why not clean it up? Meant to not desolder on your eyes, but I've done. Yeah, it is better, definitely, because it was gluey, sticky all over the place. It was looking like somebody was using some connector or something, I don't know how to describe it, and left it on it. So it's the same thing is here, and I don't know what was the purpose for that. Is it the manufacturers or somebody has been here and done it? Because I wouldn't leave such electronic, you know, in such way. I wouldn't, definitely. That's not me, and this would require anything for the interference. That would be different way to approach it, okay? So for me it's looking like, I don't know, the stuff which shouldn't be here. That's at least, you know, how I see it. But anyways, you know, I'm nobody to tell, because I don't know who was here and what done what and for what reason. And it doesn't absorb as well as the IPA, yes? It just absorbs, but it's like you would use oil on it. No. Anyways, the joints which we meant to do, they are quite clean. Actually, they are clean. You can say only the black thing is on it. We can't get rid of this black thingy unless we will, like a mold, you can say, because I don't know how to call it otherwise. I don't know what's the proper name for it, but it's looking like a mold. It's integrated with the surface, and so I will try to plug it in. How long is this video? Just tell me. 24 minutes. That's not bad, actually. Yes. So it is what it is. Now is the time for a test, and I need to check only if IPA will not make a harm, but customer was asking to check about the, here is IPA, to check about the capacitors if they've been replaced. Okay. So first, the visual inspection in general. IPA even didn't bother to drop anywhere here, so it's fine. On this board, no as well, but it's, even if it would drop, that wouldn't do anything. I can't tell what these are. These are ohms. I don't know which capacitors. Could be because these ones, these gold ones, I don't know what was here. Okay, so there are capacitors which are looking, you know, if you want to recognize if capacitors have been changed. Like these ones, yes, don't have so much dust as, let's say, the other ones, yes, like here. So you could say that these four have been replaced, and this, you know, these components haven't been replaced. Now these ones are the same as this one, like at least looking like. So I'm not sure if that was the case, if somebody have, you know, swapped them, but definitely these ones have less dust than the other ones. So it's, I didn't open the bottom, I haven't seen at the bottom, but it's looking like it was replaced for real from this side. Yes, I would have to open bottom to be sure, and then check the names and so on. And we could check, you know, the year of manufacturing. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't, depend if you can see manufacturer. If you can't see the manufacturer, it's just second guessing. Yeah, here I don't see, so oh yeah, there's one. Gold. Well, at least if it's a gold, at least you can say that it's a higher quality. I would have to take photo of them and then see, because maybe we could get a year this way. But I wouldn't investigate it to be true any further. I would just leave it as is. I will ask customer if customer want to investigate it further, or just leave as is. Oh, come on. Ouch! My finger! Ouch! My finger! Okay, so I can put this on top. It's still 20 minutes before putting kids to the bed. So guys, I'll be making a test which will take me a wee while, and I need to put my kids to the bed. And sorry, and it will be better if I can do this test on my own, because if I'll find anything else, I'll need to spend time more on looking. If I will look for something and I will see, you know, that there is an issue, we will record another part, okay? Whereas at least now we've seen, you know, that the procedure, you know, of tracking it down somewhere. Then the first thing is to clean it, yes? Do the visual inspection and clean it. Then when you've cleaned it, you can make a test, and if it's working, then that's your problem solved. If it's not working, well, you need to follow the line. And I meant to measure the resistance, which I did, but I didn't check any ohms or anything, only checked which lines are connecting to each other. Maybe I could do some other tests as well, and for sure I would like to check the potentiometer when it's on the phono, which one connects, and when it's not connecting on the different one. So I could do that test actually, which I didn't, but now it's too late anyway, we can't do it. So that's only my regret here. The rest, I've done everything properly, and if I could do any better, that would be that test, you know. Now, the next thing is that you can still live with it, you know, like you can still do tests after, that's fine. And it doesn't change, you know, so much that you can't process with this repair. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. I don't need to, you know, I don't need to write a book about it anymore. I just have to test it. Once tested, I can see if it's working. If it's not working, I can start to dig deeper. Yes. Thank you guys, and if I have to, we will see in the next part. If no, I will maybe create a small video explaining if it's working and show you the proof that it is working. Okay? Thank you guys, and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.